Welcome to Verbena officinalis, nature's colorful cascade. In this episode, we'll immerse ourselves in the vibrant world of the verbena flower. Verbena, with its cascading clusters of colorful blooms, is a symbol of natural beauty and grace. These enchanting flowers can be found adorning gardens, hanging baskets, and landscapes worldwide, adding a burst of color and elegance. A cascading palette. One of the most striking features of verbena is its trailing habit, which allows its vibrant blossoms to spill over containers and garden edges in a graceful cascade. A vibrant symphony. Verbena flowers come in a dazzling array of colors, from bold reds, purples, and pinks to softer blues, whites, and pastels. Each hue creates a visual masterpiece that captivates the eye. Butterfly haven. Gardeners adore verbena not only for its stunning appearance but also for its ability to attract pollinators, particularly butterflies. These flowers provide nectar and a welcoming landing pad for these delicate creatures. Versatile garden companion. Verbena is a versatile plant, perfect for use as ground covers, in hanging baskets, or as a colorful addition to garden borders and containers. Low-maintenance beauty. These resilient flowers are known for their low-maintenance nature, making them a beloved choice for both seasoned gardeners and newcomers to the world of gardening. Here are 10 captivating facts about verbena. Verbena belongs to the Verbena genus and is part of the Verbenaceae family. The name, verbena, is thought to have originated from the Latin word, verbene, which refers to sacred herbs used in ancient rituals. Verbena is native to both the Americas and Asia, with over 250 species worldwide. It has a rich history of medicinal use and has been employed in traditional medicine for various purposes. The flowers of verbena are often small, tubular, and arranged in clusters. Verbena bonariensis, commonly known as tall verbena, is a popular species known for its slender stems and airy clusters of purple blooms. Verbena is often used to create colorful, cascading displays in hanging baskets and containers. These flowers are drought-tolerant and thrive in full sun, making them suitable for xeriscaping. The lemon verbena, Aloysia citrodora, is known for its lemon-scented leaves and is used in herbal teas and cooking. In the language of flowers, verbena can symbolize healing and protection. A cascade of color. Verbena, with its cascading beauty and vibrant colors, is a testament to the artistry of nature. Its ability to transform garden edges and containers into vibrant masterpieces has made it a cherished choice for gardeners and lovers of floral elegance. As we draw the curtains on our enchanting expedition through the pages of Verbena, nature's colorful cascade, let the captivating allure and pollinator-friendly enchantment of these delightful flowers continue to inspire your heart and kindle your appreciation for the wonders of the natural world.